And it's time for some more black badges. This time on the 21 Silverado RST. I have not really done a breakdown on what the deal is with this truck, but yes, it replaced my white truck. I guess I'll have to get into that in a different video, but for this one, we will be putting black badges on. You've seen my video before of the white truck that got these on the hood. This time I'm going to put this on the tailgate, and we finally have some gloss black Z71 that I got off of Amazon. And I have this black Silverado one. May or may not install that, but this is going to go on the tailgate. These are going to be on the fenders, and these will be on the hood. So I'm not going to do a full, I don't know, we'll see how this video goes, but this is what we got. I'm happy that these are finally available in gloss black. It's going to go along with the color here. We also got some eye box up in here. I got a lot to explain on this truck, but again, that's for a different video. Let's do some badges. All right, so what I've done was just tape all the badges. That's it. So we got our lines lined up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the blow dryer, heat them up a little bit, peel them off, get the goo off, stick these bad boys on. All right, so here we are. Got the first badge off. You can see there's a little bit of residue. I'm not gonna fight with everything, but it's very shiny over there because I went ahead and busted out the blue foam, and I did wipe it down with some wash and wax. I love that stuff. It's best for everything. So what happened was when I pulled off the badge, there's a bunch of dirt on there. So I cleaned off the dirt before I did anything, because you don't want to be grinding it into the paint and whatnot. So then I did a quick little swirl remover. I got that right here. So some swirl remover on there, just real quick. Just took like a minute or two. And I'm going to wipe this down with alcohol pad so that way it sticks really well. And then I'm going to stick the new one on there, and then I'm going to move on to this Duramax badge. When I'm done with this whole side, I'll come on back on here. All right, here we are. Ooh. All right, there's the finished product. I really like it. It's better than just deleting them completely. I know it's real dark, but I really do like the way that it came out. All right, until next time, see ya.